Enjoy watching. Have a good time. Look, what is this? It is an elephant. I'm going to turn the elephant to a mouse. Right, I turned the elephant to the mouse. Abracadabra. What is this now? Right, it is a horse. Abracadabra. What is this? Right, it is a monkey. What color is it? Right, it is a brown monkey. Abracadabra. What is this? Right, it is a bear. Oh. Abracadabra. What is this? It is a crocodile. What color is it? Right, it is green. It is a wild animal. Oh. Abracadabra. What is this? Right, it is a lion. Oh, it is a wild animal and it is a king of the forest. Abracadabra. What is this? Right, it is a tiger. It is scary.